Hey, all my teacher friends out there. I just want to take a minute and kind of show you how I use my Google Classroom because I've been using it for quite a while, since that's what a lot of us are going to be using for the next several weeks. This is not going to be a full walkthrough of how to do everything in Google Classroom. This is just going to be like how I set it up and how over the last several years, through feedback of my students, kind of seems to make the most sense. So you first come in on your stream. If you actually put things with due dates, which my school district will be doing, we just don't have any due dates for this week since it's week 1. Those will show up right here on this left-hand side. You can see some of my kids have already we've been talking all morning. But here in Classwork, so the thing that I've found that is like the most beneficial, helps my kids be the most organized and find things easiest, is by adding topics. I've actually gone and deleted a lot of stuff out since we're about to use it really, really heavily, and the district wants certain things. But the topics work kind of like dividers in a binder. So I've trained my students where they, if this is week 1 of our online school, so they're going to click on week 1 and here's the things that they're doing. Now, these are things specifically from our school district. So for this week, like they could have just gone to my school district's webpage and looked there for these things, but my kids are already trained to go into Google Classroom and look at our Google Classroom for what they need to do. So I put them there. But so week 1, and then next week I'll have week 2, and everything for week 2 will go under there. Week 3, everything will go under there. And then this one is just something else I wanted to share with y'all as an idea, since we don't have this face-to-face part, but to still have some community involvement like we do in our classroom regularly. I put up this good things section, and so this document, they click on it, each class has one, and we'll go in, and once a week I want them going in and adding something good that's happening, that's happened for that week or the week before or whatever. And then we reply back and forth with comments, which makes it a little fun. This is also a good place where you can add, like, a lot of these kids, they don't have schedules. So I added an idea in here about making their own schedule for home, and a document that they can make a copy of and create their own little schedule for when they're at home, and some things that they need to make sure they consider in that schedule. And then there's an example that I pulled off the internet that they can look at. And I put in here my parent information for how to join GoNoodle at home, because here in Texas, we've had a lot of rain lately. And so I want to make sure that they get some physical activity in. So yeah, that is it real quick, just real short and sweet. You can go back over here to all topics, and it takes us to all of it. They can scroll down and see things that way as well, to get to those things that way. Yeah, that is it. Y'all take care. If y'all have any kind of questions with Google, please hit me up either on Instagram at the.texas, TECHXAS.teacher, or on Twitter at Mrs. MRS _Knaut, KNAUTH. Peace out.